Evolution of Reproduction, how reproductive strategies have evolved across different animal groups. Reproduction is the cornerstone of life, ensuring the survival and continuation of species across generations. Through millions of years of evolution, reproductive strategies have diversified dramatically, allowing organisms to adapt to varying environmental pressures and ecological niches. Understanding these strategies provides insight into the evolutionary ingenuity that sustains biodiversity on Earth. Reproductive strategies in early life forms. The earliest forms of life likely reproduced asexually through simple processes such as binary fission, where a single organism divides into two genetically identical offspring. This method, still seen in bacteria and archaea, offered a rapid and energy-efficient way to propagate in stable environments. However, asexual reproduction lacked genetic diversity, making populations vulnerable to environmental changes. The emergence of sexual reproduction marked a significant evolutionary milestone, introducing genetic recombination and greater adaptability. Eukaryotic cells developed meiosis and fertilization, laying the foundation for the vast array of reproductive strategies observed today. Oviparous reproduction, laying eggs. Oviparous reproduction, where fertilized eggs are laid outside the mother's body, is one of the most ancient and widespread reproductive strategies. Found in many invertebrates, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and some fish, this method allows for the production of numerous offspring with minimal parental investment. Environmental adaptations. Oviparous species have evolved various mechanisms to protect their eggs from environmental threats. Birds construct nests to shield eggs from predators in harsh weather, while amphibians often lay eggs in water to prevent desiccation. Egg specializations. The evolution of the amniotic egg in reptiles and birds was a groundbreaking adaptation. The amniotic membrane, along with a hard or leathery shell, provided protection and allowed these species to reproduce away from aquatic environments. Viviparous reproduction, live birth viviparous reproduction, where the embryo develops inside the mother and is born live, is common in mammals and some reptiles and fish. This strategy offers greater protection and nourishment to developing offspring, increasing their chances of survival. Placental evolution in mammals. The evolution of the placenta represented a significant advancement. The placenta facilitates nutrient and waste exchange between the mother and fetus, allowing for prolonged gestation and the birth of more developed young. Environmental pressures. Viviparity often evolves in environments where external conditions are harsh or unpredictable. By retaining embryos internally, mothers can protect their young from predation and extreme weather. Ovoviviparous reproduction, a hybrid strategy. Ovoviviparous animals, such as certain sharks and reptiles, combine elements of both oviparous and viviparous reproduction. Eggs develop inside the mother's body but hatch internally, resulting in live birth. Evolutionary significance. This strategy likely evolved as a compromise, offering the benefits of internal development without the energy costs associated with placental nourishment. Ovoviviparity is often seen in species that inhabit environments with high predation rates. Asexual reproduction, cloning strategies. Despite the advantages of sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction remains prevalent in certain animal groups, particularly in stable environments where rapid population growth is beneficial. Mechanisms and examples. Parthenogenesis, seen in aphids, some reptiles, and certain sharks. Parthenogenesis allows females to produce offspring without fertilization. Budding, common in cnidarians like Hydra, where a new individual grows from the parent's body. but also